Hey everyone, this is Jem Dan again and welcome back to my channel. So today we have a new mod. It's actually a helmet mod, not a motorcycle mod. But I will show you a small piece that we changed on my bike a few nights ago. But for now, we'll go with the unboxing of this Chatterbox X2 Slim-p long-range communicator. So why did we buy this over the Cardo or Sena, however you pronounce it? And I actually use a Uclear. I've been using this for a long time, and it worked for me. It worked for my needs. It's a little bit cheaper than Cardo or Sena. And right now it's on my X-Lite carbon helmet. But why did we buy this? I said we because we did a group buy on this. My friend Johnny said he found a deal, and if we can get 5, they can ship us to us tax-free and free shipping. So yeah, I think the MSRP on this is like 250, 260, so it's still cheaper actually. So let's unbox it. Okay, there it is. X2 Slim-p. So if we compare it with my Uclear, it's about an inch longer and about half an inch taller. So not that bad, you know. It looks decent, I think. So I don't know how to use this. Like I said, we're just unboxing it right now. Excuse me. And it comes with the manual. Put that away. And accessories. Oh, so the reason why we decided to go with the Chatterbox Slim-p is every time we ride, not always, but a lot of times we're at probably like 20, 30 riders. Sometimes we even go up to like 50 to 70 riders at one time. So I know Cardo can mesh up to like 15 people, and you can talk to them, listen to music with that. But the reason why we bought this is because this is actually a radio. And we will read the instructions later, so we can find out about the specifics of it. It has a Velcro, and it has a mic for a full face helmet. You can hide it wherever. And it has a boom. If you have a half face or maybe a modular, you can use this too. So 2 kinds of microphone. The Uclear comes with that too. This is the mount. You can put on the side, and I believe you screw this on the mount. So, and this is where you plug in the mic. It says mic right there, and I don't know what this is, but we'll find out. Of course, the speakers. They are smaller than my Uclear ones, but that means I won't have a problem putting it in the speaker cutouts, because I've had helmets that had to shave the foam in the cutouts so I can make the Uclear speakers fit. And it also has a charger, and this one right here is probably will be my favorite, push to talk button. So this one goes on your handlebar. How cool is that? And efficient, right? So you don't have to take your hand off the handlebars anymore. You just push to talk. But also it has this one, if you're used to like pushing the buttons, you know. All right, we'll let it stay up right there so you guys can see. Comes with a sticker, of course. I'll put that in my toolbox, or on my toolbox, or my saddlebags. That's where I've been putting my sticker mods, inside the saddlebags. All right, so it comes with a unit, of course, the charging cable, like I said earlier. It comes with the mic, with 2 mics, Velcro fastener, the speaker, and the mount. So and the handlebar mount push to talk button right here. So this one says, let's see, getting to know your X2 Slim-p. So I don't know if you can see it clearly. So this is the power button. If I press this, should turn on. There it is. It's on now. I set it up to channel 6 because that's what we're using with the group. Again, you can use this and talk to unlimited number of riders, I believe within a 5 mile range. So as long as there's no mountains, in between the 5 miles, you can still talk. Okay, let's turn that off. And then the PTT button, of course, push to talk. Like again, I said it's a radio. LCD display over here has the push to talk input right here. Passenger ear jack, so you can connect this and the passenger can listen to it too. But nowadays you can just buy two of those and have one each. Like me and my wife, we have two comms. That defeats the purpose of having an intercom, right? You don't want it wired. It has a control knob. It's volume and the channel control knob. It has more specifics like other options that you can do with this, but those are the two main. And the microphone goes here, like I said earlier. So there is that. What else? What else can it do? It's gonna be a short video. So, oh, it does have FM, no XM. Sorry, it has FM radio, so you can listen to music. It has Bluetooth, intercom, of course. It shows the battery meter, a Vox. So, Vox is voice control, so it's hands free pretty much. But I think it's cool to use this, because I've tried voice control on other gadgets before. There's always a delay, you know. So it's like Siri, and then Siri will have to think. So you might as well have a button to press, and have it do what you need to do right away. It has a CTS, which is a talk group type. It indicates the sub-channel talk group or private channel is in use. Of course, wireless PTT, like what I said, wireless push to talk, and has push to talk button here. I keep saying push to talk because that's like the number one option this thing has that no other. I don't know. I don't know all the comps available in the market, but so far the brands that I know doesn't have this. A limited rider. Okay, no need to mesh every time you ride. Oh, let's mesh. Let's do this. Whatever. You have to remember all those stuff. And honestly, my Uclear, I don't remember all the steps. I just listen to music. I just press one button to answer phone calls, and that's it. So, a little story. How we came up with this. So, we were going on a picnic ride, and one of our friends suggested we use a Zello Zello app. It's like a radio, but you use your phone. Now, if you have touchscreen gloves, it's efficient, and you have reception. So you just mount it there. It connects to your intercom, and if you guys want to talk, you just press it, and then you can talk, and everyone else will hear it. Excuse me. Like this one, you can have unlimited users, but you need to have reception, and you need to have touchscreen gloves, of course. And with wintertime, that's a problem because my winter gloves, for me, I don't have a touchscreen winter gloves. And of course, let's be real, winter gloves are too thick. Press the button, you press all of it on the screen. It's just too thick. This one, you have one button to press. That's it. One button to talk, and then everyone will hear it. 100 riders, everyone will hear it. No meshing, nothing like that. As long as they know how to turn a knob, put it on the same channel, and you're good to go. Um, Again, talk group, different channels. What else is here? I already mentioned the Vox. Let's see. Music, FM music. You can pair it to the phone. You can pair it to a. This is another pairing, so you can pair it here, and you can pair it to your phone. I think that's it. That's all it has. It's pretty simple. Um, I can see there's a lot more stuff that you can do with it, programming and stuff. But if you just want the basics, you just turn it on. Pair with your Bluetooth phone. The instructions are here. It's pretty simple. It takes a few seconds, and that's it. You now have a radio, music player, unlimited riders. So yeah, we'll try it out and we'll see. We'll see if it works. My bro Johnny he already tried it. He said it's very clear. Um, I trust him. His into riding. Has been riding more than me. So if it's good for him, it's good for me. But we'll do another video review of this. So like I said, I did change a little bit on the bike 2 nights ago. So I'll show you guys what I did. All right. Can you guys tell what I changed? All right. Just kidding. So I switched from the mini floorboards to the Thrash and Supply pegs. So, like I said, I didn't have a problem with this until recently. But this one, obviously, it's like the size of the factory pegs, a little bit wider, very, very little. And then still has the grips and the color that I like. So, yeah. Why did I change? Um, so it started when I wore my winter boots for the first time on this bike. That I noticed, since it's a full leather, it's thick and it's steel toe. Every time I try to upshift in the mini floorboards, I'm not able to swing it down and upshift. So it was just flat and it was hitting this. Kept hitting. Sometimes I would miss a shift or a gear every time I do that. So I was like, you know what? Let's adjust this, move it a little bit higher so my boots will fit. So I did that. It worked. But my problem was downshifting. I had to lift my foot up to push down. So that was uncomfortable and it looked weird because this one was so high. It almost looked like a suicide shifter that I could shift with my hand. So I ordered this, installed it, positioned it the way I like it. And now I can put my boots underneath. And if it's my regular boots, I'm okay with it. And if it's the winter boots, I'm able to swing down and upshift, no problem. So now it's back to normal adjustment and back to almost normal size foot pegs, but with the grip and the color that I like. So yeah, that's all I did. I hope you guys liked my video. Click like, subscribe, comment. I respond a lot. So we'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.